is Margaret Petros. I'm the executive director with Mothers Against Murder, a nonprofit in the Bay Area. I have lengthy experience with the Victim Compensation Board. We help families of murdered victims with care and with the belief that crime victims have a fundamental right to justice. And victim compensation is one of those rights. This morning, I want to tell you that victim compensation staff, some of the staff at the local victim witness offices around the state are incredibly careless when making decisions on victim compensation eligibility decisions, denying claims without the mandated due process, especially when the murdered victim are children or very young adults, where they lack the ability to always make the correct decisions and judgments. But what is most troubling is how the legal team at the headquarter office is allowing these denials to move forward and participate in further violations of victims' rights. This morning, under your agenda, as a closed session, there is a claim number A20-8065450 that there was no hearing given to the family when requested. Legally, applicants have that right, but that was just intentionally overlooked. And I believe, as their advocate recently involved in and authorized to help them, it is before you as a final denial, but we don't know that because even after I asked for a copy of the full file, it was sent to me, but without that written notification that is in front of you. The family was not notified this hearing is happening. Please imagine how their rights are being violated and how this is legal. We hear a lot about criminals' rights, and that is fine. That is very much necessary, needed, but victims have rights as well. So I want you to imagine you're making a very important decision on a killer's right, and the killer's not been notified. He's not there to defend himself. The same exact thing is happening today in front of you on a victim's claim. They've not been notified, even after I asked exactly what this meeting is about. The legal team has not answered. So before you make the decision today, please ask the legal team if this is right. I'm not an attorney, I'm an experienced victim advocate, but I have the common sense, and I know Marcy's law allows victims to be at all public hearings. This is a murder case. Please be careful before you make this decision, because it is a final decision when it's with the board. Thank you so much for allowing me to address you.